All right, so this is how to do a rear license plate light upgrade on these cars. This is the original one, came out of the right side. I'm about to do this side. All you're gonna need to do is just pull these two Phillips head screws out with a small stubby screwdriver like this. So now just to remove the lens, you just rotate this out, just like that. There's the old bulb. Now one thing that is important to note, these lights will only work one way. So you're going to have to turn the lights on, stick it in. If it doesn't turn on, pull it out and flip it around. So there's that one. I just turned the lights on. I'm just gonna stick this in. Just like that. So you guys can see it turns on, pull it out, flip it around. It will not turn on like that. So with it on and in place, I'm gonna shut the lights off, throw this back into the lens, just like that. Shove them back in. And these screws will bottom out. And if you don't bottom them out all the way, even when they initially feel like it, you're still gonna have a lot of movement here. So you wanna screw them all the way down just so that this stops moving. Just like that, that one's flush. No movement. So to get at the lens here, it's a little bit different. You'll want to pick up a set of these nylon pry bars. You can get these at Harbor Freight. They're cheap, like $9, $8, somewhere around there without a coupon. Just go around the sides. It's kind of hard to do this holding a camera, but that was pretty simple. So I got right up in here, got it out like this, moved over to this one, got it out, just like that. So in order to remove this, we might end up having to pull out these two screws. Not a big deal, just to get a better grasp on it. But we might run into, this may not want to fit through there. So we're gonna have to try and see how that's gonna work too. All right, so we're just going to pull these two screws out just to make it a little bit easier. So again, these only will work one way. And it won't, so we're gonna have to do this a different way, just like that. Sure it still works. And throw the two small screws back in. And of course our little lens here. Much better. So that's really all there is to it on how to upgrade your LEDs in these cars. Really, this would work for any car that uses these kind of light bulbs. So in a somewhat dark garage, just have the running lights on, but that's quite a bit better. Let's see what the interior looks like. Not bad. Happy with that. Not too bright either, which is a good thing. I'm definitely happy with how it looks back here. Now for those of you wondering, I do save old, good light bulbs. I found over the years that it's always good to have these around. They still work. Just saves you a little bit of money, and there's always going to be an application if you're into working on stuff like I am that you may or may not need a light bulb.